To tag a face on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to tag a face on Google Photos. There is also the next thing on Google Photos, which is Google Photos auto detect face. But you can add the missing face manually. Now to add the missing face manually, you just need to open Google Photos on a device and make sure that you have backed up your photos and also logged into your account. So after that, to tag a face in Google Photos, you just need to open the photo which you want to tag. So let's say if I want to tag someone in this photo, then I just need to click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and here you will see the option of about. So click on it, and from here, so after clicking on the option of about, here it has automatically detected the photos which I am selecting. But if you don't see the option of that, here you will see the option of add and tag the face. And if Google has not detected the face, then you just need to tag the face circle, and you just need to add a name for it, and you just need to type the name and click on the option of save. So that's it. That's how you can tag a face on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.